Hello, everyone. Welcome back. So yet another session for the live analysis. So let's directly jump into the charts and see what markets have done today. Okay. So just today, while analyzing, we have built some scenarios that where would market will open, what we will do. If you remember that we have built this scenario that if market will open somewhere and try to create a base below the resistance and break above, then we would try to go long at the appropriate pattern, and that's what it has done today. So in the 5-minute chart, it has given a few opportunities to go long. So yeah. So in the 5-minute chart, this was the first retest where markets have gap down, they came back, and then they came back and retest this low in the morning itself, and from there they created a base which got broken out in the noon time. So this breakout was a very strong bar because it has cleared the resistance which the prices have created in the entire day, and then this breakout the bar closed at its high. So that was the most safer and the appropriate place to go long. And as I said, that we can always take the entry above the signal bar. So that was one case. Now let's see what market can do or it may do tomorrow. It is now trying to create a new pivot here. If that happens, that can happen only if tomorrow it will open and taken out the previous high, then this pivot low or this this low bar would become the new major support area. That is what the expectation is as of now, because prices are in a strong uptrend, and we have also seen that in an hourly chart the prices have they have broken the resistance area. So now the next reference point is this resistance zone. So let's see tomorrow what prices will do. As of now, it looks that the buyers are in control. They are controlling the market, and that is why probably all these resistance which were created earlier by the sellers are not able to hold. So the expectation based on what today has happened is that tomorrow it should also open either at or above the high of today's bar, and should probably taken out the high of this previous resistance high. This is what the expectation is. However, in the hourly time frame, the resistance look little bit strong, and we have to see what prices will do, whether they would be able to cross it, or will they not be able to sustain this level and will come down. So let's see what Nifty will do tomorrow, and based on that we will try to take the appropriate action. This is the weekly chart of Nifty. However, this bar is still under construction as we are in the middle of the week. But my expectation is that if this bar, because it has opened gapped up somewhere in the middle of this red week, and if it would be able to take out the high of this weekly bar, then probably we would see the new highs in Nifty very soon. So that is what the expectation is. Let's see what tomorrow brings. Now let's quickly go to the Bank Nifty and see what is happening there. So let's just quickly where is the yeah, let's just quickly just clean up everything. Yeah. So something similar is happening in the Bank Nifty itself. It is also trying to create a new major support point here. However, it has to do a lot of work before that, because the resistance is quite high and we have the room to the upside. As expected, and as I mentioned yesterday, that even if the prices were opened strongly in the morning, but if they will come near to this resistance area, they have to face the sellers, and that is what has happened. So prices did broke out this level, but they couldn't able to go through it, and they closed somewhere here. So we still have a lot of room to cross in Bank Nifty, and so it is looking relatively weaker than the Nifty. Even in the weekly chart, we can see, although it is in the uptrend, but as of now the expectations are same that if it will cross this weekly bar, probably we'll see more strength in the bankings. In the 5-minute chart, if you were trading Bank Nifty, you would have got multiple opportunities today itself. Same retest, couple of times, and then we have this breakout bar. When we have the breakout bar and then we have a resting bar, that is the best opportunity to enter into the trade, because that shows that the market is giving you the opportunity to take advantage of it. And so if you have taken above the entry of this bar, it would become a very profitable trade. So that's it for today. Let's see how much markets will live up to our expectation, and how much our analysis would go in the direction that we have thought of it. So that's it for now. Hope you have liked the analysis. If so, please like and subscribe the channel. Please share your feedback. Thank you and bye for now.